Okay, this video is going to be a 2-for-1. The next section in that packet was writing the slope-intercept form if you're given the slope and the y-intercept. So given slope and y-intercept. So an example of this would be something like slope equals 1/2 and the y-intercept is 3. Okay, well, we know that slope is m, so your m is going to be 1/2, and your y-intercept is your b, so that's going to be 3. So your answer would just be y equals mx plus b. Okay, now that's part 1. I feel like we've had enough practice with that. I'm not too worried about that. I think this next one is going to be pretty solid as well, but we should do a couple examples. So if they give you any point and the slope, what do you do then? So if they give you the point -5, -4, and you have a slope of 9/5, this is the type of problem, remember, where we do y, m, x, and b, and we figure out what we have, and then we solve for what we don't have. We do not know the y-intercept. We just know a point somewhere on there, and it's not the y-intercept. So I need to say, all right, well, y is going to be -4, m is 9/5, x is -5. So -4 equals 9/5 times -5 plus b. -4 equals, this is going to turn into actually -9, so we'll be doing IXL on that for your homework tonight on Wednesday, February 17th. So more on that in your IXL. And then I have 5 equals b. So if I have my m, I have my b. My final step, and you cannot stop here. I had people stopping here. This is not your final answer. Neither is this. Do not put those as your final answers. Your final answer has to be y equals 9/5x plus 5. That is the final answer. Do not stop before you have that, okay? Again, I think that we are pretty good on these. I'll do one more really fast. So let's say we have the point 2, 0 and a slope of 1/2. So for this one, y, m, x, and b, you might think to yourself here, oh, I have my y-intercept. Well, no, you don't, because this is actually the x-intercept. So whenever you think that you can like skip around, please, please, please consider just doing it the long way anyway, because you don't want to make that mistake. It's gonna be a bummer. So your y actually is 0 if you start writing it out, and then you get 1/2 for m and 2 for x. Don't know the y-intercept. So 0 equals 1/2 times 2 plus b. Okay, I get 0 equals 1, because those cancel, plus b. So my b is going to be -1. So I have my final answer of y equals 1/2 x minus 1. There you go. All right, the last video is going to be looking at through 2 points. Okay, so yeah, see you there in a second.